Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of clearing your clipboard history on Windows 10. It's a simple and useful trick that can help you maintain your privacy and free up some storage space. So let's get started. Step 1. First, locate the Start button on your screen. It's usually located at the bottom left corner. Give it a click to open the Start menu. Step 2. Next, look for the gear icon on the left side of the Start menu. This icon represents the Windows Settings menu. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Once the Windows Settings menu opens, you'll see a list of options. Look for and click on System to access the system settings. Step 4. Now on the Settings sidebar, scroll down until you find Clipboard. It should be listed among the various options. Give it a click. Step 5. In the Clipboard settings, you'll see a section called Clear Clipboard History. This is where you can remove all the previously copied items from your clipboard. Simply click on the Clear button to proceed. And there you have it. You've successfully cleared your clipboard history on Windows 10. It's a quick and easy process that can be done in just a few clicks. Remember, clearing your clipboard history can help protect your privacy and free up some memory space on your computer. It's always a good idea to keep your system clean and optimized. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.